Hello, Cahill here, giving you a walk around here on this 2020 201 RAV4 XL Hybrid 2.5 petrol automatic. This is a very high spec RAV4, only covered 48,000 miles from new. In very good condition throughout, finished in a lovely blueprint metallic. So you have your LED lighting on the front with your automatic dipping lights, front parking sensors, front fog lights, your alloy wheels there as well. It's your rear privacy glass, and roof rails on the top. Also has a detachable rear tow bar as well, can be removed if not needed. Now, standard vehicle, very high spec, very good condition throughout. So the price will include the VRT paid with a 2-year LCT as well, free nationwide delivery and a nationwide warranty as well there. Full leather, heated leather, electric moving seats as well there. Hard to see with the sun. Very nice cars throughout. Full heated leather. You have your charging ports there in the back as well. Motorized tailgate. That's your boot space there. Electric tailgate as well. So you have your electric moving seats there. Right, street memory seats, 4 electric windows, electric folding mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated windscreen, automatic dipping lights, electric tailgate down there, multifunction steering wheel with your lane departure, collision assist, cruise control, automatic wipers, auto lights, push button start. You have 48,552 miles. Automatic with your drive mode select, electric handbrake, auto hold, USB port in there. Heated seats is there, front heated seats, air conditioning. You have your touchscreen radio, Miracast, that's your CarPlay and Android Auto. Reversing camera with your sensors front and rear. So home, your sat nav, Bluetooth, audio, DAB radio. Change that to FM. Map, setup, pair of your phone, all that. Very nice vehicles throughout, full heated leather, very good condition. So the price will include the VRT paid, the 2-year NCT, free nationwide delivery and a nationwide warranty included, registered to your county address as well on the VRT. It will be fully serviced, valid, detail all that before collection or delivery. And if you've any more questions, you can give us a call on sales 074 91 31 331 or myself, Cahill, on the mobile 087 444 0077. Thank you for watching.